Wala na silang maaano.
Sa susunod maaga tayo, gusto ko talaga dito.
Maganda dito. Tapos
See?
ate, kapag nagtutungkit tayo habang nag-iihaw ako, ang ganda sana.
Bayaran ko si Nicole, papuntahin ko ng 2 oras dito.
Sit down, Sister Tracy. Nagluto ako ng mussels soup. Saka isda, ihalo ko to.
2 oras.
Yeah. I mean, I will mix it. Halo. I'm so sorry. Sometimes I forgot that you're...
It's okay, it's
Para
okay.
makain naman tayo.
Para dito na sa
Napakaganda. Tingnan nyo, nag-enjoy kami dito. Nagluto-luto kami. Nagtula ako. Tingnan nyo. Oo.
We went to my other church before. It was their anniversary. Oh, okay. So we went there and eat.
Yeah, not much people come. What's the reason it's not there?
So this is
Everybody taking rest.
he doesn't know that I'm not there.
He only knew way back when was that we are still in the other church. What was that? You know David Lee,
Na.
the Canadian evangelist who came, and I got involved. Only that.
We went in before the church that we attend. Luke and I was in Mount Druitt. But now they moved to Netherlands. It was their 16th anniversary, so we went there. Just to eat lechon.
Napakaganda dito ba?
Kaya ang dami ng langaw, oh.
Pa, meron pang
Naamoy
dalawang
nila yung
maganda.
ano natin.
Ayan.
Matagal pa yan sila.
Wala kasi patay oras din sila, no?
Sino?
Yung mga matatanda.
Ay, oo. Oh. Umalis ng iba eh.
Oo.
Kana siya, lilipat tayo doon kasi may shade eh.
Maganda talaga dun.
Oo.
Sa susunod, in 2 weeks time,
Ilipat tayo doon.
talking about that place next time.
Paano kaya natin malipat doon no, na mayroon tayong ano?
I'm going fish, mommy.
Yeah.
Going fishing.
Yeah, you can get some fish there if you want.
I go
It's
see my
nearly-
swimming pool sleep.
Yes, wala swimming long sleeve doon sa bahay.
Pakainin ko na.
I'm not did it.
Ha? Hello, Jeremy is enjoying here in OT.
When they going to heaven?
Maganda.
Ko na.
Saan siya mag
The
See,
barbecue.
look. Now we are cooking a fish soup and mussels. And we are, cooking fish.
Doon na sila pa rin. Walang makaagaw sa pwesto nila.
Oh,
O sige, ako magpapakain, pupunta ako dyan.
Hindi, dyan na lang kayo.
dyan na lang kayo para saan.
Pakainin ko si Kuya Luki.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wala na nga ako ginagawa, di ba?
Ito, sandya. Kumain na sandya.